Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Char-Broil's cruise gas grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here it is, Char-Broil's Cruise Gas Grill. Let's get right down to it. The main thing that really grabbed our attention. It's thermostatically controlled like your indoor kitchen oven. That's why the control panel is different from other gassers. First of all, it only has one control knob and only 2 burners inside. The on-off power button. You spin the dial to select the cooking temperature you want, and it displays here. Real-time status indicators. The control knob lights up with different colors to show status like power on and warming up. There's also a built-in timer, which displays here. Cruise needs electricity to operate. Plug it into a GFI outlet. There's a battery backup if the lights go out. The USB connection to the battery is pretty loose. Let's see if that works. Here's where your extension cord plugs in. Here's a scraper for cleaning the emitter plates. We'll talk about that in a minute. This handle is pretty loose. Tried tightening it, but that didn't help. Maybe a couple washers will do the trick. I removed the grates so you can see the unique burner system. This single dial controls both burners. The small burner is always on to maintain heat. This larger burner that wraps around is regulated by a temperature probe at the back. It tells the control system when to turn the large burner on and off to maintain your set temperature. Thin stainless steel emitter plates go over the burners. Char-Broil's had this for some time. It used to be called True Infrared, but they just changed the name to amplifier. The plates store and amplify heat from the burners. They prevent flare-ups and even heat out. This may work especially well with cruise, since we have just 2 burners and one is going on and off. This should even out heat and hold temperature, but we'll find that out when tests begin. Another advantage is amplifier reduces dry convection heat that pulls moisture from foods. You need to scrape off the plates occasionally. That's what this scraper is for. Every 3 or 4 uses, remove the plates and scrape off that gunk. I put the cast iron cooking grates on top of the emitter plates. See how they fit together? Heat comes up through the perforations under the cast iron to give you conductive searing. We've used some of the older True Infrared models, and I'll tell you, this works as advertised. And that's it. Well, we're definitely interested in this one. Cruise could be groundbreaking. We'll give it a spin and write up our results. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.